Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Children Books Empire, which launched on the 18th of July at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this latest release by Alessandro Zamboni, and it is, as the title would suggest, about creating children's books. Now, the thing that I like about Alessandro's releases is that they're always a little bit sort of quirky and left field, and they always actually do very well because they teach slightly unusual niche events that you can do to make money and open up new income streams. Now, as I've been saying all year to the Elite Tigers Group, you need to open as many of these alternative income streams as possible so that firstly you're not relying on the make money online niche as much as previously for your income. Also, the closer that you can get to having more of your portfolio involving real products rather than just websites and making money type products, the better. And the good thing about this one is that we're not even talking about Kindle books here. We're talking about you being able to create actual physical children's books that you're going to sell on Amazon. Now, if that sounds a little bit daunting, don't worry, because you're not going to have to write anything yourself. This is a 14 video over the shoulder course from Alessandro where he's going to show you absolutely everything that you need to do. And there's nothing extra to buy other than the front end. All the software that you need to create these books is free of charge. So if this sounds like it's something that is of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I have to say that I really like this product. I'm also going to go through the custom bonuses that I've put together that complement Children's Book Empire. There are 5 of them, and if you click on the link immediately underneath this review video, you will come through to this bonus page, and you can click on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. And as usual, folks, I do not want that to happen because, as I've said, they're custom bonuses, which means they're unique to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Children Book Empire, because you can, of course, always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realise that the bonuses that I'm offering have more value perhaps than what you'll find elsewhere. So what exactly is Children's Book Empire? Well, did you know that there's a new secret paper book genre that is growing like crazy, and it's in the children's books sector? So you should watch this review video, this sales
Hello
video.
And welcome from Alessandro Zamboni.
There's Alessandro. It's a very short video and he'll just give you a quick overview of the product. But essentially, Children's Books Empire is a 14 video series that gives you the secret to start publishing zero content books in a brand new niche that is growing on a daily basis. You can start creating these simple books by leveraging Alessandro's study to all the parents of the world with a kid from 3 till 8 years old. So the target market for these books is 3 to 8 year olds. It's very easy to repeat, and everything is served to you on a silver platter. As I said, you don't require any tech skills, you don't require any writing skills, and you don't need any paid software. All of the software that you will be using to create these books is available open source free of charge. It's very profitable. This type of book sells like crazy, and there's still very little competition in this genre. Easy to use platforms where creating these books is super simple and takes a short amount of time, and there's an unlimited market. Think about the English language market and also about your local language. It's never ending. You can start creating these zero content books in your spare time and upload them on Amazon Marketplace. Okay, so we'll come back to the sales page in just a moment, folks, but let's go and deal with these custom bonuses. So when you come through onto this page, you'll see this video here that I'm just recording now. These are the points that we've just gone over about what the product's about. This is the sales video again. You can watch it either here on my bonus page or on the sales page. And these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you. So we've got this obviously to cover the children's market, so let's also cover the adult market. I'm going to give you this free course, 5K Publishing Paydays, which was initially sold by Brendan Mace, and this one tells you how you can make money selling info product books on Kindle, again without having to write any of the content yourself. This can be another thing that's very lucrative. The next thing I'm going to give you is a course on the print-on-demand market. Now, actually, Alessandro's last release was in this very niche. He was teaching about a special birthday product called Birthday Empire that was a print-on-demand product. Well, this is a great course by Ike Paz, and it will show you how to make money with print-on-demand products. It's excellent. This third one, again, is another niche, so I'm giving you as many different alternative ways where you can, make money in alternative markets as possible. This one, Riken, actually deals with vintage clothing. And again, vintage clothing's very hot at the moment. It's easy to source cheaply and you can sell it for high profits. And this course will tell you exactly how to go about sourcing and selling vintage clothing on eBay. The next one I'm going to throw in is this 10K storytelling formula. Tells you why storytelling is the one skill you need to master to never go hungry again. And finally, something a little bit different. I'm just going to throw in this bonus that I've started offering only in the last week. And this is telling you 10 websites, or showing you rather, 10 websites where you can earn at least $100 a day in 2019. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, which, as you can see, add a lot of value to the front end product. So let's go back in and finish off looking at Alessandro's product. So these books are researched by parents in need, and that's why they sell like crazy. And the requests and sales are getting incredibly high. Consider that any child between 3 and 8 could need up to 2 of these books per year during their growth. This is an incredible business to run with consistently high peaks in demand. Obviously, Chris is going to be one of them. It's also easy to run, and in no more than 2 to 3 days, you can have a new book ready for publishing. And this works in every country without the need for translation, because, as I've said, they are zero content books. It means they are obviously visual. You only need to know the secret genre, the 2 types of book that Alessandro is going to present you, and the process that he's applying that's easy and funny. No tricky stuff, no previous background in publishing, no difficult or paid software, and no mumbo jumbo. Alessandro specializes in these quirky niches, and he himself says that this is the easiest one that he's done. Easiest one that he's done. So inside the 14 video series, which obviously comes with a money back guarantee, you will get proof that the system works like crazy. You'll learn how to create the 2 zero content types of book. You will find out how to find unlimited subjects for your book. You will find where to find what you need to copy and paste into the books, where to find specific fonts, how to get a great cover, how to publish your books to Amazon, and much more in 14 videos. So this is a complete step-by-step video series to help you create a solid business in Amazon paper books, focused on books for children. It's definitely a course that you won't find anywhere else. And I've never seen this particular method. There are plenty of print on demand and a lot of info products and Kindle release type products out there, but this is the first one that I've seen specifically focusing on children's books and actual physical books as well. So have you ever found a book like this to create and without having to do any writing? Step 1, you choose one of the 2 books that Alessandro shows you. Step 2, you create the book with copy and paste. Step 3, you upload it on Amazon and start selling it with his keywords. And these are what you're going to get. Obviously, you're going to get the video series, 14 videos, and these exclusive children's books keywords to use to sell these on Amazon. Obviously, the whole process taken care of by Amazon, including printing and delivering the books. You don't need to do any of that yourself. And the price for this, $17 with a 14-day money-back guarantee. You will get that refund within 48 hours maximum of requesting it, and it's on a no-question-asked basis. Alessandro is very good at his customer service. So you've got 2 weeks to have a look at this and see how easy the method is and try it out yourself. And if you find it too difficult, you can always request a refund. So that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, I do really like this product. I'm just going to go through the upsells because they're also very good as well. So the first upsell shows you how to publish 3 other zero content books in the same genre. If you love the colouring books niche, then this is incredibly huge and only kids are admitted. And that is $27. Again, watch his sales page for full details. The second upsell shows you how to publish 7 different game books with free and easy to use tools. Something awesome that he can't stop watching to create new books. That one's $47. As you've probably seen by the sales page, by the way, and his video, Alessandro, as you can probably tell, English is not his first language, and that doesn't prevent him in any way being a total success with this method. So I just want to clarify that if you don't have particularly good English, it's absolutely not a barrier, because these are zero content books with no written content as such. So number 3 is Alessandro's high ticket course about Kindle, paper books and audio books publishing. Very well done. This sells for $297, and Alessandro really is the master at this sort of stuff. So if you like the idea of making a little publishing empire of your own in all sorts of different niches, then I would say he's one of the best go-to people that you can find currently. He's had loads and loads of deals of the day on Warrior Plus. He's a very successful marketer in this niche. So they are your upsells. I would say take as many of those as you can afford and seriously think about that top package, because Alessandro is your man for your go-to man for this sort of stuff. All right, so that's really it, folks. As I said, if you want to get all of these extras, which again are going to, I hope you'll agree, complement the main product, then click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart, and then when you come back to your receipt area at Warrior Plus, click on there's my bald head there. Click on the green button to access Alessandro's products, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. So I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5 because I really like Alessandro's products. This is nice. It's a nice, fun subject. It's quirky. It's lucrative as well. So what's not to like, really? So 4.5 out of 5. All that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Children Books Empire.